Hello, this is Justin from Sleepy Developer Tutorials. I'm going to show you how to set up local Alexa skills debugging through this 4-part video series. In this first video, we will cover Step 1, configuring your test environment. For this tutorial, I will use a starter Alexa skill kit project provided by Amazon. Please feel free to use your own project as you follow along. The URLs that are used in this tutorial are provided in the show notes. You'll want to go to the Alexa skill kit project. Then you'll want to download the repository. Once we've downloaded the repository, we'll go ahead and move it to our desktop. And then we'll go to the Sleepy Developer Tutorials repository and download the repository and move it to our desktop. Next, we will open up Visual Studio Code and open our Alexa project. When we go to the source folder, you'll see that there's a package.json file in here, but no node modules. We'll need to install the node modules. So I will use Visual Studio's integrated terminal. Feel free to use your own terminal of choice when doing so. So we'll need to cd into the source folder, and then we'll run npm install. This will go out and install all of our node modules. Next thing we need to do while we wait for this to happen is open up our Alexa Skills project and the tutorials that we downloaded from the Sleepy Developer GitHub account, and navigate to Alexa Skills local development and copy the test folder into our project folder. Okay, that's finished copying. We're still waiting for the modules to finish. Once those modules have finished, we'll need to create a symbolic link from the modules in the source folder into our test folder. Otherwise, when we try to debug, we won't find the modules in our test folder and it will crash. So rather than duplicate all of our modules in two different folders, I figured it would be best if we added a symbolic link. So it looks like our node modules have finished installing. So now we're going to cd up into our test directory, and then I'm going to run ln-s, which creates a symbolic link, and we're going to link the node modules folder that's in our source directory, one level above us, and we're going to link it to the node modules in our current folder. And there we go. So now if you type in ls-l, you'll see here that we have correctly linked our node modules in our test directory to the source node modules in our source folder. At this point, we have finished part 1. Please stay tuned for part 2, where we will configure AWS, and we will use IAM to create a group, user, role, and attach policies. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in part 2.